Okay, we're actually kinda winning this. Launch the Vulture Droid. Oh, come on, we just lost our whole Vulture Droid and the Monster 2 walkers. So actually that wasn't that bad of a droid. I only hit their ship. Maybe they're pirates alive. Oh crud, there's still one walker left. Grievous, why did you kill one of my best droids? You pissed me off. Commander, it's only us and that pilot over there. He's a gunner. I mean gunner. That's left, okay? Well, just aim for the commander. Before I hit all the other droids, but they still have stuff back there. We'll go on a bombing mission later. Just hit the commander and then we'll run away from Grievous. Okay. Release all other weapons. We're on it, Grievous. Never mind, we're dying. I'm still alive, I'll get it. Holy beep! I have destroyed my whole droid army, probably one of the biggest in the galaxy. So I will destroy them. Hey look, it's a Republic ship! I'm Jedi Master Kit Fisto. I'm here to help. Great, we're saved. Okay, so I'll go finish off Grievous. You guys stay here. What? Grievous just fled. He got kind of scared when you landed. Oh, we'll finish him off some other time. Okay. Run away!